Good morning. Welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. This is Nacho, Yanez.O'Hara with Homes Chula Vista. And today I want to show you some renovations in one of our listings. So as you can see here, there you go. We are in 2200 Coronado Avenue in San Diego. Okay, the park is named Coronado Palms. It's a senior park. And the rent of the space here is $850. And this is the home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, manufactured home from 1975. It's a space 27. Okay, and I have posted this in some of my videos. The price is $165, but the seller really wants to sell, so we have made some renovations. I'm going to show you the outside. So you see it has carport for 2-3 cars. That's good. And it has a big shed and a lock and everything, so that's good as well. And that other shed will have to be removed because the park only allows one. But look, it has low maintenance because it has brick here, and it has a nice, very, very nice backyard area with a lot of privacy. Okay, here if you have pets, they allow like one small pet that you can have, and it's already fenced and everything. And you can put, if you want to put like grass or something like that, it's is perfectly possible. So this home, like I said, is from 1975. It's approximately 1100 square feet. And see, this is the kitchen. They have restored a bit the cabinets. The floor is really nice. It's bamboo. Let's have it here. And it has a spacious dining area here as well. And the living room. One of the nicest things is that you see those windows. So again, bamboo on the living room. Very nice. It has the 2, let's say, guest bedrooms in here. So this is one of the carpet. The carpet in this one is in very good shape. As you can see, it comes with a closet. Pretty nice. And over here you have the other bedroom that it has like a mixture of carpets, and so now it's what it has is a great laminated floor. And well, this is like a den, or it's a bedroom. It has it has 2 closets. So the other thing is the bathroom. So the tub has been renovated, painted, also the sink, so it looks much better. And yeah, now it's moving ready. Of course, there's things like these walls and so that you may want to change, update. The home is financeable, so that's a big plus as well. And remember, so we got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let me show you the master, which is over here. It's quite spacious. There's a lot of furniture in here, and still there's good amount of space. You have windows on both sides, so you have plenty of light. This is a renovation they did, and you see you have new floor. You have a walk-in closet right over here. And also you have a new bathroom with a walk-in shower. But that's good. But remember, in a senior park, you know, is good not to have to move much to access the shower. So that's a good thing. And yeah, if you're interested, leave me your comments. This is easily financeable. The rent of the space is really good. It's only $850, and the price of the home is $165,000. So again, we are on 2200 Coronado Avenue, space 27 in San Diego, in California 92154. And this great room has also a porch over here, quite spacious. So yeah, it's a, and you see the distance in this park from the neighbors is pretty wide. So you get your privacy. On top of that, this park has a drive-in cinema, one of the very few ones that are left, and it also has a swap meet, which is interesting. And you're near, all the commercial areas, the I-5, so very well connected. And let me show you one last time the front of the home. So it has been some time in the market, but now with the new renovations, we know it's gonna go quickly. So just contact me. Remember, this is for seniors, so one person needs to be 55, and in this park, the rest of the people needs to be 46 or older. Okay, so that's it. I hope you liked the video. Leave me your comments and call me. I'm Nacho with Homes Chula Vista. Like the video and subscribe, and thank you for everything, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.